So think about coffee. It's such a simple and beautiful thing, yet also really complicated. The way the green beans are grown and handled, through the roasting process, to that final flavour that you get in each cup. I guess it's really the journey of coffee that captivates us the most. We're working with the growers that deliver our green beans, really taking care through the roasting process, taking our beans directly to baristas and constantly working to achieve that perfect brew. We take our coffee pretty seriously at Duckinwilla.
Oh, but to love to